think I think it's going well. Should be good. Okay. So just gonna open up this project file and let's see if we can actually get started. Let's see. Oh. I'm probably gonna move my mic out the way in a quick second. Hopefully it actually doesn't peak or something. Like I might not talk as much because I already know that. Wait, how long is this? 17 minutes? Okay. That was kind of. Yeah, this was disgusting. Anyway, I'm probably I'm just gonna mute myself real quick. Hey, I'll be back. Um, I'm like halfway done this actual video. Like the only thing I gotta do is just layer all the actual logos for everything and do the text. But um one, I gotta take a shower, and two, I gotta go to the gym because I haven't been to the gym in about a day. And it's a little frustrating because I actually do want to go work out right now. So I'm actually gonna pause right now, and then I'm gonna come back and finish everything and continue to record it. So I'll be back, and yeah. And I'm back. Let me change this music real quick. To something I can probably play without any problems. Okay. First degree robbery. I was playing that in the car while I was on my way to the gym. So, um, right now, I'm just relayering everything. Um, I cut everything so far. It's about less than 10 minutes, so it's about 9.5 minutes. And right now I'm completely done the first 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, I would say. So yeah, let's finish this. And we're officially done. Let's go. Okay. I guess I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. But yeah, that's basically my entire process of making this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this every single time because this is probably gonna take up a lot of space. But yeah, hope whoever watches this watches it, I guess. Yeah, I guess. But you know, it is what it is. Just showing the process of how I edit my videos. It's a really long process, I'm not gonna lie, but who knows, maybe someone actually might find enjoyment out of me editing for like 5 hours, but maybe get a few things or learn a few things while I edit. I might even do the multiplier by like 500, so it's a lot quicker to go through, so like people aren't looking at every single small detail. But you know, that's it.